Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the A7iii for true HDR capture. Update firmware, then pick aperture priority or manual so exposure control is consistent. Once done, set base ISO 100 to minimize noise and choose an aperture that keeps depth of field where you want it. Activate auto exposure, bracketing for 3 frames at 1 to 2 EV steps. This gives a clean spread of highlights to shadows. Use a tripod and turn off in-camera stabilization when mounted to avoid blur. Now capture the bracketed series with practical technique. Switch to RAW plus JPEG so you have full dynamic range to merge later, and keep a processed JPEG for quick review. Use a 2-second timer or remote release to eliminate camera shake. Mirrorless systems still benefit from reduced movement. Set white balance manually for consistent color across frames, then lock focus. Once locked, recompose if you must, because focus shifts will ruin alignment during HDR merge. Finish by importing the bracketed RAWs into your HDR workflow. Choose Lightroom, Photoshop, or dedicated software, and enable alignment and decoasting so moving elements don't create artifacts. Tone map conservatively, preserve natural contrast, and use local masks to recover shadows or rain in highlights. Export a 16-bit TIFF or high-quality JPEG. If you see ghosting or halos, revert to single-frame replacement for problematic areas, or reshoot with tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.